Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to hide the following list on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After opening the Instagram, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on Menu from the top right corner and go into Settings and Privacy. Click on Account Privacy from Who Can See Your Content. From here, you can make your account private. Then click on the Switch to Private button and make your account private. Go back to Settings and click on Restricted. Tap on Continue to restrict the people you don't want to interact with. You can search for people and restrict them from interacting with you. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.